Mr. Hardeep Puri, I want to pick up on the point that you just made in virtually obtusely at this point, saying that you were a senior civil servant when the UPA government was there. Tell us at least one story. I think restraining period for making any of these comments public is now over, even for you as a former civil servant. What is it that they did with impunity on which you haven't spoken till date? Please give the viewers a glimpse.
I don't have to tell you that entire vocabulary is out there in the public domain. 2G, CWC, don't make me say all those things. I was a witness to the fact that, I was PR in New York when I was hosting the highly respectable Prime Minister of the day then, and I was sitting with him in the hotel room when he got news that the young leader took up an ordinance. An ordinance is a act passed by the government, and in a press conference he tore it up. Look, don't make me comment on those things. Some of these people are criticizing the Central Avenue, Central Vista, and other things. I was a civil servant when they were ministers. I have hosted them outside. I should not start mentioning things there. There are some things which, there is a limitation on decency. But when you attack a government without any rhyme or reason, the stories will come to haunt you. Slowly, stories will come to haunt you. All I'm saying is, on Central Vista, brothers and sisters, Madam Navika, tell them that through your channel, you've dialed a wrong number. There is a completely legitimate, open, transparent book on the Central Vista. As we go along, all the details will be made. All the clearances have been held. Somebody said, this thing has been done on the stealth. Stakeholder consultation parliamentarians के साथ भी हुआ है, civil society के साथ भी हुआ है. Now, the purpose of consultation is not we have a discussion, then you have to agree to one. One guy has gone and written a major newspaper article on expressing concern on some of the cultural aspects. I discovered he's the same man who wanted a job in the government and said, you employ me here. Now people are settling personal scores. I have 60 of my former colleagues who signed a letter, and I read the letter only today. I fault myself for that. 60 eminent people who say, if the story is to be believed, if you've been cabinet secretary to the government and foreign secretary, you don't sign a letter saying, if the story is to be believed, there is a superstition that the current parliament is not lucky. That's why they are hurrying into it. Where is all this BS coming from? Or some tantric has said, this Awas is not lucky. Are we grown up, mature people? Are we looking at the history of a project, or are we weaving false narrative around it? This morning I woke up to saying, work on a particular segment of Central Vista starting in August. I was amused because I hadn't seen even the presentation.
You're talking about the Modi Mahal or the future Prime Minister residence. Is that what you're speaking about now?
Yes, madam, I am. You see, it's like this. Pappu, our beloved young leader, who is affectionately called that, says Modi Mahal ban raha. A lot of people then take that up as a narrative, and one newspaper puts it on the front pages of its newspaper. Work starting in August. Now, if the design has not come to us, let alone not come to us, we've not considered it. After the design has been finalized, drawings have to be made, then it will be tendered. We are already today on 31st May.